guys, namaste, welcome back to my channel. This video is a review video of Patanjali Saundarya aloe vera gel box. If you have not seen my face shop Jiju aloe vera gel, which works tremendously great to my skin. So literally Patanjali have many things that you can experiment on many items, but I decided that let me just start with the major essence of the skincare, which is this cute bottle, which is Patanjali aloe vera gel. Now this was the first product that I bought from Patanjali shop, and I really like this aloe vera. You would be knowing about in this review video that how good this product works, especially for acne prone girls. You definitely have to watch this whole video. This is super duper good product for acne prone skin, and if your acne has recently came now, then you need to definitely watch this video more now. Whenever I talk about my favorite bucket list of this product, now this is also one of the product that has been included, which is little cool, sweet and cute packaging. Going to this video, you just have to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon given that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And I know I'm a little late today uploading a video since there was a Christmas and there was my celebration going on. So yep, if you've been following me to Instagram, then you know what I was doing in this time. Then there was a little delay of uploading a video. And if you're not following me Instagram, go and follow me in Instagram and Snapchat ID into the screen that you can follow me there. And yeah, so not wasting any time, let's jump to the video. There are very few types of products in the market currently which is best for acne prone girls skin type, and even for a sensitive girl's skin type. Aloe vera gel is such a wonderful product that it gives you the best results to your skin. Aloe vera gel is not just a name, but trust me, it is super duper perfect aloe vera gel that you can found here, and it is so nice for acne prone skin and sensitive skin, so glowing and a spotlight skin. Nothing can work to acne prone and sensitive skin. Now this product worked great for acne prone skin type and for sensitive skin. Even promise to nourish your skin and to give you that glowiness back to your skin, which is true, and claims that it give you an instant solution for pimples, for wrinkles, from acne, and a glowing skin. It is 100% of natural formulations for all skin types. The key line was the single product is a weapon of all the skin imperfection. Packaging is nothing but it comes in this like transparent tube with an open orange cap, and it is a little transparent tube that you can visible how much the product has been there inside. It also have a bigger tube. If you ask me, then I always prefer to take a bigger tube. Please don't go for a smaller tube, because I just wanted this for a traveling purpose. That is why I have taken a smaller tube. But if you are using at home, then please prefer to take a bigger tube, which works great. And it is also available in Patanjali shop, and it is also been available in any makeup stores. Patanjali shop is not nearby you, then the alternative source is you can get this product into a medical shop or any makeup shop. Can be used as a travel friendly, and the bigger tube you can use at a daily basis. Consistency is like a gel form, and it is in green in color. Other use of aloe vera gel is you can use this aloe vera gel as a night cream, or you can use this aloe vera gel as a face pack for nourishing skin. You can use this aloe vera gel as a moisturizer. I've been using for acne spot treatment. This aloe vera gel have little mild fragrance like other products who have little very strong that you can even not bear it. So you can bear this mild fragrance. So my experience about this product is like it's quite give you a quite moisturizing, and it hydrate your skin very much. You can use this product as a moisturizer. This is not a quick product that will give you an instant result. Now this take a little longer time to show their result, but definitely if you keep trying and using this product will show their result. Especially for acne prone girls, you will definitely see the difference that your acne has been getting reduced, your blemishes has been getting reduced. To apply this aloe vera gel, as I always use it, is at night. I always apply a very thick layer of aloe vera gel and just go to sleep. So once you get up in the morning, you just see the glowing and a moisturize. Your skin has been little moisturized. You not feel so itchiness on your skin and little flaky, and your skin is not getting tightened. So yeah, apply this as a moisturizer in the morning. Also you can apply this aloe vera gel but not a thick layer. You can just take a little bit of aloe vera gel, just rub into your hand and apply it properly to your skin. You apply properly to your skin and it will feel like your skin has been little moisturized, and you do not need any over layer of cream to apply on your face. So this product is I have been also used into my hair to bring that all shininess, and always I was been missing since I have been done hair smoothing to my hairs and all the chemical that has been using to my hair smooth, and I need that shine to get back to my hair. So I have been using this aloe vera gel in my hair. For hair mask, then you can just put 1 to 3 drops of this and you can just massage your hair and it works great. Now this is the winter season and dandruff तो होता ही है इस winter season में, because we get most of dandruff into your hair. Then what you can do is, like, you can, if you're doing something like with the hair mask, then you can just put 1 to 2 drops of aloe vera gel and tea tree, just massage it very well, and then you can go for a wash for shampoo and conditioner, and then you will see your dandruff has been little gone. I won't say that it has been gone properly, vanished properly, but you will see lesser dandruff as compared to when you was seeing your hair, so that it does not find any form of leakage. And so aloe vera gel works great, that you definitely do not need to carry any other cream with you whenever you're going for outing or whenever you're going outside anywhere. So yeah, let's talk about pros about this product. It's suitable for acne and sensitive skin. Keep your skin moisturized completely. Kind of breakout to have a multi-purpose functions. Very pocket friendly, travel friendly. Give you a cooling effect to your skin. Product can be used into summer as well as in winter. This ideally is for all skin types. So yeah, I think so negative, there is nothing bad about this product. You can definitely go ahead from this product. Like this is the Patanjali aloe vera gel. Most of the 60 ml is 45 rupees. It's a little cheap and it is also available in Patanjali shops. If not, then I have told you an alternative resource is of course it will be finding into medical or any makeup store. So that's all for the video. Hope you like my video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Till that time, bye. I'll see you in the next video.